Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can download and install mod menu for Minecraft Java 26.1. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open a browser. Then you need to just write mod menu Minecraft, select moderate link, and then you need to download this file. So go to versions, platform, fabric, game versions 26.1, and press download. Then what we need to do here is we need to have text placeholder. So text placeholder API, select moderate again. Then you need to go to versions, platform, fabric, game versions 26.1, and download it. Then what you need to do here is to go to fabric, mcnet, download for Windows, and then download the universal jar, right? And you should have 4 files. Then you need to completely close Minecraft launcher, go to fabric installer, wait for a couple of seconds to load. Select 26.1 and install. If for some reason you get an error, there is 2 reasons why. First one, Minecraft launcher is not completely closed. Another way, you don't have Java. So go ahead and solve these issues if you're getting an error. But if everything is all right, you should get Fabric Loader has successfully been installed. Press OK, and then load up Minecraft launcher. Then go to Minecraft Java Edition, installations, then look for Fabric Loader 26.1, press on the folder, then go to mods folder. If you don't see mods folder, simply just press new and create and name it mods. And then we need to drag and drop these 3 files here, right? Drag it here. And next up, what we need to do here is to load Fabric Loader 26.1. And after game loads up, you should see that there is additional option for you for mods. And as you can see here, mod menu is installed. Currently, I don't have any mods, but here you will see all the things that you need in this tab. That's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like.